We can start to Venice, a city built on canals that intertwine as if it were history, art, and engineering are trying to blend into a single entity. In this video, we focus on the more contemporary structures in Venice, Ponte della Costituzione, or the Calatrava Bridge. This is also the place where the imposing gaze of the Grand Canal rests, which you can refer to as the lifeline of Venice. The Bridge of Now and Then Venice, with all its tourist attractions, has a set of unique bridges, the Rialto Bridge and Ponte dei Sospiri. But the Ponte della Costituzione happens to be the only bridge situated in this modern time frame, and Venice's fusion of modern architecture doesn't midday cross-walk to Santa Lucia, where the Venetian tradition crossed path with modernism. It is clad in steel, Istrian stone, and glass with a modern touch. Venice remains famed for its bridge with Brigdis, but in bend-over-back, Ward's fusion of centuries-old Venetian barebones and surroundings, this sleek, contemporarily constructed contools blends into the Venice skyline's spherical wonderland the Grand Canal, Venice's lifeline. From the Ponte della Costituzione, we can see a breathtaking panoramic picture of the Grand Canal, which is the city's most important waterway. Stretching 3.8 kilometers long, this canal flows through the city of Venice like a reversed S, which divides the city into two parts. For the past centuries, the Grand Canal has been the busiest social and commercial area of Venice. It was previously swarming with traders from all over the globe. The merchants used to navigate on these waters, bringing spices, goods, and textiles, which now mark Venice as a highly influential and wealthy city. Even now, the canal is lively and filled with vaporettos, gondolas, and many private boats, adding to the charm of the city. Standing on the bridge provides a unique view of the magnificent palazzos, which are located on the edge of the water. The 13th century to 18th century historic buildings is a unique view in itself, as they showcase different architectural styles as powerful Venetians used to live in these regions. The colorful and intricate details of the facades strongly display the cultural and artistic heritage of the city. A controversial but visionary project. Although the Ponte della Costituzione was built to provide a more practical and direct connection for both tourists and locals, it was not without controversy. Many Venetians were initially resistant to the idea of a modern bridge in their historic city. Criticism focused on several aspects: the high cost of construction, which exceeded 11 million euros, the difficulty of walking on its glass steps, especially in rain or fog, and the initial lack of accessibility for people with reduced mobility. However, despite these challenges, the bridge has become an important part of the city's infrastructure and is now appreciated by many for its sleek design and functionality. The bridge's structure consists of a single steel arch spanning 94 meters, 308 feet across the Grand Canal. Its transparent steps allow visitors to see the water below as they walk across, offering a unique perspective of the city. At night, the bridge is beautifully illuminated, creating a magical atmosphere over the canal. A unique perspective of Venice. Standing on the Ponte della Costituzione, we can truly appreciate how Venice is a city in motion. The constant flow of boats, the rhythm of pedestrians crossing the bridge, and the ever-changing reflections of the sky and buildings on the canal's surface create a dynamic and living painting. This bridge may not have the centuries-old history of Venice's other landmarks, but it tells a story of evolution, adaptation, and the challenge of bringing contemporary design into one of the world's most historic cities. It reminds us that Venice is not just a city of the past, but also one of the present and future. As we take in the sights and sounds of the Grand Canal, let's take a moment to appreciate the unique blend of old and new that defines this remarkable place. Whether you love traditional Venetian architecture or admire modern design, the Ponte della Costituzione offers an unforgettable perspective on the city of canals. Final thoughts. Venice is a city that continues to inspire and captivate visitors from around the world. The Ponte della Costituzione serves as a symbol of progress and connectivity, bridging not just two sides of the Grand Canal, but also the gap between Venice's past and future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of the world's most incredible destinations. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Venice.